Have you seen a cool or interesting story on Instagram, which you now want to repost? I'm going to show you 2 different ways on how to repost someone's story on Instagram, so just follow my steps. The first step that you can repost a story is if someone mentioned you in their story. So you'll want to open your Instagram DMs, and then you can see this mentioned you text. So let's open this conversation. Here is the story, and you'll simply want to tap on the Add to Your Story button in order to repost this story and share it with your followers. But what if you found a story that you would like to share, but you're not mentioned? That's pretty easy as well. You'll just want to take a screenshot by pressing the volume up and power button at the same time. So I took the screenshot, and this story is now in my gallery. But before sharing this, you first want to ask the person if you can repost their story on your profile. If they allow you to, then open your Instagram story camera and then upload that screenshot from your photo gallery. Don't repost someone's story before asking for permission from the user because we want to avoid getting in trouble. But that's about it, everyone. See you in the next video.